Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to activate spicy mode in Grok AI. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to get a bit risky here and you want to use the spicy option here in Grok, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So, first things first is you want to go ahead and just go to grok.com, to their official website, and just need to log in into your account so that you can choose the platform. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and just click on new project at the left side here. And from here, you could go and just start adding your instructions. Like, for example, we are just friends. Okay, so you can just create your project. Let's go and click on next. You can go and add a project name here. It's going to say this is going to be a test. Let's go and click on next. Now from here, you can go and just click on create. And once you've created that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and just type in your keywords here. So in this case, you want to go and just type in activate spicy mode and just basically press enter. Now, typically, this will basically allow you to start using spicy mode in your project. But then again, if you do see this one, well, you may need to re-enter this, or you may want to upgrade your plan so that you can start using it. So sometimes if there's like high demand, you may get this one. So again, you can go and try later again and see if that actually works. But once you've actually typed in activate spicy mode repeatedly, you should be able to see the spicy mode activated. So you can go and just start using this one and start sharing any spicy secrets here if you want. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.